Today I'm here to introduce you to some of the battery operated tools we carry in the fire service. We have the Weber Rescue E-Force 2 spreaders, we have the Weber Rescue E-Force 2 cutters, and we have the Weber Rescue E-Force 2 ram. We have a Milwaukee Reciprocating Saw, and we have a snap-on impact wrench. This is the Weber Rescue E-Force 2 spreaders. This spreader is a battery operated tool. It has a 5 amp M28 lithium ion battery. It's a Milwaukee battery. We put the battery into the back of the tool, you'll hear it click. This battery operated tool has an on-off button here, which idles for 30 seconds and will switch the tool off automatically itself. It has a trigger system, right for opening and left for close. The harder you press the trigger, the faster it will go. This tool's advantages are there is no pump and there is no hoses. It has a wraparound handle and very easy to use. This is the Weber Rescue E-Force 2 cutters. It's battery operated. It has an M28 5 amp lithium ion battery. We put the battery into the back of the tool, you'll hear it click. There's an on-off button here, which now is ready for it to be used. It has a trigger system, which the harder you press it, the quicker it will go. The advantages of this tool is there is no pump or hose needed. It has the same cutting force as a hydraulic tool. It has a wraparound handle, and after 30 seconds, if the tool is left idling, it will switch itself off. This is the Weber Rescue E-Force 2 ram. The E-Force 2 ram is a battery operated tool. It has a 5 amp M28 lithium ion battery. We put the battery into the back of the ram, you'll hear it click. The tool is ready for use. It has an on-off button here, which after 30 seconds, if not used, the ram will switch itself off. It has a trigger system, which the harder you press it, the quicker it will go. It's a 2-stage ram, and it's light. The advantages of this ram is there is no hoses or pump needed. It has the same force as a hydraulic tool. This is the ram fully closed. Here we are. That's the E-Force 2 ram.
This is the Milwaukee battery operated reciprocating saw. It works on a 28 volt 5 amp lithium ion Milwaukee battery. Has a battery indicator on the back to show how much voltage is left in the battery. To insert, you hear it click. Take it out, you push in the 2 red lugs to take the battery out. This particular saw has 2 speeds. On one, 2,000 strokes per minute. On 2, 3,000 strokes per minute with a lock in the middle. To insert the blade or change the blade, you have to twist the top like so. Insert the blade, it's spring loaded, it will click back. It's got an adjustable boot, you can move this up and down to suit. Saw is now ready for operation. This is the battery operated impact wrench. This one is 18 volt snap-on. They come in many different variations, sizes and makes. You have a forward and reverse switch. You can attach sockets, Torx, hex, Allen keys, whatever. The beauty of this tool is you can take a car apart the way it was manufactured with far less vibration and impact on the casualty.